Hi, I'm Sam with Mr. Landscaper, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to install our products to your existing underground irrigation system. To attach any of our microsprays or drippers to your existing PV system, we have many choices for you in ways that you can attach directly to PVC. We have a single outlet that allow you to attach our poly tubing to run out to the microsprays and drippers. We also have a dual system, so you can come off your PVC and run 1/2-inch poly in two directions out to the drippers and microsprays. And then let's say that you already have an existing sprinkler and you want to keep it there, but you want to run a dripper or a microspray over to a little garden. No problem. We have a device that will go right underneath the sprinkler, and then you can run your vinyl tubing out to your stake or dripper. If you have any tall risers around your landscape beds that are putting out high volumes of water, you can easily convert those. You literally just unscrew them from the top of the riser, and then we have single outlet, dual outlets, and 4-outlet shrub heads. And they just thread on that same thread. You just tighten it down, and then you can run any of our 1/4-inch tubing. You can run our 1/4-inch inline drip tubing from one of the outlets. You could run any of our vinyl, which comes in a 30-foot coil and a 100-foot coil. You can install our 1/4-inch vinyl off of any one of the 1/4-inch outlets. You just literally push it on, and then you run the vinyl tubing over to a stake assembly, or you can run the vinyl over to one of our drippers or one of our adjustable drippers. We also have a retrofit kit, and this is what you would use if you want to attach drippers to an underground system, because you need lower pressure. So in this kit, you have a 25-pound regulator, you have a filter, and you have a hose fitting that will allow you to attach our 1/2-inch poly and run over to the drippers. To upgrade your underground irrigation system to Mr. Landscaper, just click on the link below.